Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Suresh Achilia. Our today's topic is tennis. Tennis is a game which is played to either by 2 or 4 players. Tennis Day officially celebrated on 23rd February since 1874. The game is also known as grass tennis. Earlier the game was played by using hands, but then people starting use rackets to enhance the fun of the game. Tennis is also extend to lawns tennis as it can also be played outdoors. In this essay, we will know about tennis. Tennis is in detail and know some interesting facts. So let's get standards. You can read the tennis articles events. Essay tennis 450 to 500 words has been provided in useful. Tennis is a sport which is played across the world. The game was first played in 19th century in Birmingham, England. Tennis has many variations like lawn tennis and table tennis. Lawn tennis is played outdoors in an open lawn where table tennis is an indoor game played with two people across a common table. You can play tennis a single and double. In single there are two people opposite each other, and in doubles there is a team of two people facing. The two people facing each other. The game tennis is played by both teens as well as adults like any other outdoor sport. Tennis also helps in keeping you fit or healthy as a physically depending sport. It is help increasing your strength and endurance. There is another name for tennis which is called grass tennis. In the 11th century, the major part of France played a similar game with their hands and called a jeu de penma. Later in 15th century, people starting using rackets, and now the game is known as tennis. In the year 1873, a man named Major Walter Vigeland invented a version of this game and was first introduction his was United Kingdom. To play this sport, you need a racket and tennis ball. The tennis ball is lightweight, empty, and round. The ball is hit by the racket across the net in the competitor is filled. If the competitor misses the shots, the other player to earns a point. The player who score the first 4 points win the game and win a set. You need to win 6 games to win a match. You need to win at least 2 sets. Most of the match are played as best of 3 or best of 5 sets. To win a best of 3, you need to win 2 sets, and for the best of 5, you need to win 3 sets. There are many famous personalizations in the area of the tennis, such as Roger Federer, Rafael Nadal, Novak Djokovic, Serena Williams, Sania Mirza, Leader Pace, and many more. This game is also played in the Olympic tournaments, US Open, Australia Open, Wimbledon Championship, and etc. Tennis requires many masterly skill and an adequate amount of the strength and the stamina, but the almost most important skill required to play the game is a service. Your service is decided the speed, swing, and directions of the ball. If you master this skill, your chance of the winning the game will automatically increase. A player can earn a high amount of money by playing tennis as it is a famous sport all around the world. You can get a chance to get recognized worldwide, and many endorsements will reach out to you for achievement, yeah, advertisements of the promotion purpose too. If you are the sport player, the tennis is good options for the establishing a career with a high scope. Tennis is worldwide famous game played at different countries. It is an outdoor game played alone between 2 or 4 people. The other name is tennis, lawn tennis. It was first introduced in 19th century by Major Walter Wiggenfeld. It is physical sport, which means you need strength, stamina, and techniques. Do you play this sport? Is played with the help and racket and tennis ball. Tennis is an Olympic game. Is many players have competed in tennis at international level, like Roger Federer, Serena Williams, Rafael Nadal, and many more. There is no age criteria. Is play sport as teen as well as adult can play tennis at tournament level. Some of tournaments held for tennis are Wimbledon Cup, Australia Open, Olympic Games, France Open, and many more. This sport requires techniques and strength, and if you got both, the chance of you to win the game are very high. Tennis is played with the help of the rackets and tennis ball. It is an outdoor sport. Tennis is also known as lawn tennis and grass tennis. It required strength, endurance, and techniques to play the game, right? Tennis is also a part of Olympic Games. 23rd February is celebrated as Tennis Day. Tennis was first introduced in the 19th century. It can played as singles, doubles, two peoples, or four peoples. The tennis ball is lightweight and round wise. The tennis racket is thin from the bottom and has a large of head size. It is an ideal sport to career and to stay fit. So this is about the tennis and today's topic. So thank you.